Hey guys, it's Kelly. Thanks for joining me again. And I am out to inspire you. I am on my second town in the challenge that I started last week of visiting 5 towns in 5 weeks to find inspiration for your gardens. And I am today in Moss Landing. It's a harbor town in Monterey, California. The county here is vast and we have a lot of beautiful areas to explore. So come along with me at Moss Landing and let's take a look at what Moss Landing has to inspire. And then subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Little park area, and just right away I see some plants that they have planted here that I also have planted in my garden. This is Mexican sage, it's referred to. And then we have some hardy aloe here, which I also have growing in my garden. And you can check out the video I did of propagating that. You can easily make new plants from one big one. And yeah, they're great. They have beautiful blooms. And then they have some geraniums here. I love the succulents. So pretty little arrangement they have here in the park. I really like this design. And a little jade plant right there. So yeah, really pretty. So this is the harbor here, part of the harbor. You could probably hear the sea otters behind me, hoping to get fed. So we've got a big crowd here ready for lunch. A little bit early yet, maybe brunch. You can see the sea otters there, hoping to get fed some fresh fish. Isn't it beautiful? And all along this stretch, there's a gravel pathway, and there's jade plants and cactus and aloes, and it's really pretty. Isn't that pretty? So this is the bridge over the Moss Landing Harbor, and you can see the harbor. And then on the other side of the bridge, a little estuary. And I just met a lovely couple that actually live on the boat here. And that was fun, a lot of fun talking to them. And we touched base about garden discovery. And yeah, really nice people, really enjoyed it. It's great to get out and discover and talk to new people. Lots of fun today. This red fence is cool. Look at the succulents. They have a wonderful garden here. This is a restaurant. And palm trees. This is a train caboose. And I love the plantings around it. Geraniums. that beautiful? That's fun. To research what these are because I love them. These look like fuchsias, climbing fuchsias. And a cactus right next to it. Some aloe, variegated aloe. So pretty. And palm trees. That is gorgeous. I love that. And against the red fence, it's just so beautiful. Aren't those gorgeous? Anybody into Shakespeare? Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. With marigolds and sunflowers. Shakespeare's head. And a spider plant. That's beautiful. Love that. Shakespeare. But more impressive. Look at that. Look at that monster. That is huge. I can only hope mine get that big. That is awesome. Wow. I hope everybody's enjoyed this trip to Moss Landing Harbor, and I've got one more stop for you. Let's go. And I went just a few miles down the road to the Pot Stop, and it's a place that you really, if you're ever in the area right down the road from Moss Landing Harbor, you gotta stop. I'm gonna put the contact information in the description, and I'll try and remember to take a picture of Mark's business card and put it in the video as well. Check it out. Let's go. Hey guys, so good luck. He said I could film in here. Look at all the wonderful Talavera Pottery. Isn't it beautiful? Gorgeous little figurines, and I'm going to swing you around to see the big pots. Whoa, look at this. I think they do a class here on how to put together those water fountains with the pots like that. Look at that. Isn't that great? They have another one over here. And another. And look at the Buddhas. You guys would go nuts here. If anybody wants to know what to get me for Christmas or my birthday, both of which are coming up. Okay, my birthday is a little far off, but I love that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a blue and white. It's gorgeous. And there's two of them, a matching pair. Lovely. Okay, and if you can't afford a gift that size, they have smaller ones. Happy birthday, Calif. Yeah, the Talavera Pottery is just amazing. It's beautiful. I've gotten lucky and found a few. Well, I should say my mom found a few or helped me find a few at some yard sales. But you don't see that very often, and they're very expensive. Most pots are actually, but Talaveras are very popular, and they're very bright and cheery. Just beautiful. It has really turned out to be a warm day today. So I found this little shade area, getting out of the shade for a few minutes, take a break from that heat, and but show you some of the pottery that they have and the little statuettes, the Buddhas. Really cool. I'm not a Buddhist, but I appreciate inspiring thoughts and notions. So, and look at the succulents they have. Oh my gosh. This isn't it? Skilly! It's skilly! Now, okay, I know I talk about Ireland a lot, but that reminds me of Ireland. People stack rocks there all the time. Tourists. It's kind of annoying. Don't do that. And they just have tons of succulents here. And the water fountains are amazing. I just love these. I'm going to swing you around to show you. How about a monk in a blue pot? Yeah, that would be good. A little garden art. Peacock. You see that? That's cool. And they just have racks and racks and racks of pottery. You see what I mean? Rows and rows and rows and rows of pots. Just about every color you can think of and those in between. Look at this one. I love this one. That's cool. Little ovens. I think that's what they're called, clay ovens. Anybody like Corona? Because we got Corona oven here. I'm thinking my mom would like these roosters. Let me know, Mom. I'm not going to buy it for you, but want a rooster, here it is. You know where to find it, and the tables are cool too. You may not be able to hear it, but I'll be quiet in just a second and you can try. But the bells are going, these wind chimes, it's really amazing sound. That's peaceful. Well, I had a great day out today. It was fun looking around Moss Landing, getting some inspiration, and stopping here at the pot shop. And I am going to put the contact information in the description to the video. It will have the contact for the pot shop if you're interested. And I talked to Mark and he was great. Hi, Mark. And no, I didn't buy anything. No, I didn't buy anything at all. I didn't do it. Hope you guys subscribe, please. I know I have a lot of viewers that view regularly but don't subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money. Just go ahead and push that subscribe button and you'll get notifications when my videos are posted. So I will see you, and thank you so much for joining me. Get out there and garden. I hope you get some inspiration and go visit some towns near you. Bye.